Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stabilizing the damage. Remove any loose flakes with a plastic scraper and stop further peeling. Once done, wash the area with mild detergent, rinse, and let it dry so adhesives and dirt won't interfere. Next, sand the peeled edges lightly to feather the remaining paint into the substrate. This prevents a visible ridge. Make sure to remove sanding dust with a tack cloth and tape off surrounding areas to protect intact paint before moving to repairs. Now you repair the surface and create a stable base. Fill any gouges or missing paint with a lightweight acrylic filler, smooth it flush, and let it dry. Once set, prime the patched area with a high-adhesion primer so new paint bonds reliably. Follow the recommended cure time on the can. After the primer cures, sand it with 220 grit to blend into the surrounding finish and wipe clean. These steps ensure a uniform surface, so the top coat will lay down. Finish by applying thin, even top coats of matching paint, feathering outward to blend with the existing finish. Use a small roller for texture match or a brush for trim. Make sure each coat dries fully before adding the next, and remove masking tape after the paint is tacky but not fully dry to avoid fresh lift. If you still see peeling, strip back to sound substrate and reprime with a high-adhesion primer. Then retest a small taped edge before completing the whole job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.